Let's take a look today how to eat golden fish eggs by Lazy Fairies. Don't fire, don't blow up. You can do it with a sausage grill. No need to fold. Put the fish eggs directly into the preheated sausage grill. Bake for 3到4分钟 Bake until the crust is slightly burnt, golden shine. You can fill the cubum with a clip. Just bounce back, and the golden fish eggs can be grilled and fried. It can also be boiled, one bite at a time. Fresh and fragrant. Chasing dramas to satisfy cravings. It's easy to set up a stall and eat.